Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of the video, I'm going to be doing an Apple Watch unboxing. I do videos like this on occasion, just pretty much whenever I can afford to drop $300 on a new Apple product, but I do tech videos here and there, so I'll have links to those in the description. I also do college vlogs on my channel. I go to Georgia Tech, so if you guys want to check those out too, I'll have those in the description box as well. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Last self promo, follow me on Instagram. It's at @AdebisiTom. I don't really post that often, but I'm going to try and post this summer, so yeah, let's get started with the unboxing. I got the Apple Watch Series 3 with Nike edition with it, and I actually got it for $279. So that was pretty much one of the main reasons why I got it, because I've been thinking about getting one since like January, February, but then I was like, $329 is kind of a lot of money, and I was like, you know what, let me just wait until after I get out of college, or not college, after I'm done with exams and it's summertime. And if you go to Georgia Tech and you took CS 2110, I made it out of that class, and the fact that I never have to look at assembly or the LC3 or Malik again is literally like, I'm so happy. So I decided to like treat myself with the Apple Watch for making it through this semester. Best Buy and Macy's are having a sale right now. I got this yesterday, so hopefully I'll be able to put a link to it in the description, and by the time I get this video up, which will hopefully be tomorrow, it'll still be on sale. So let's just go ahead and unbox it. Yeah, I'm also really struggling right now because I'm trying to peel up this plastic and it's not working. There we go, okay. Ooh. Okay, so it just says designed by Apple in California. Oh, wow. And then that is the watch, and I'm assuming this is like all of the instructions. Let's see what's underneath here. Okay, so just the charger, and oh yes, another one of these. I love these guys. And that looks like that's all that's in the box, so woohoo. Have some plastic on the watch. Oh wow. And I also got the 38mm because I don't really have like super big wrist. That's it. So yeah, I'll probably like power it up, and then as it's powering up, I will talk to you guys. So I just opened up more things as I'm trying to get it turned on. And there's another band for, I think, oh, medium to large. So if you have like bigger wrists, then you can use that. So I'm turning it on. There we go. Okay, so as it's turning on, I'm gonna talk to you guys about like why I chose to go for the Nike edition, the difference between the Nike edition and the regular edition, and maybe this will help you guys. Me personally, I got the Apple Watch because I'm pretty into like fitness, even though I'm not like a fitness channel or anything, but I really enjoy working out, and I usually work out like 6 days a week. I've kind of been slacking off since finals, but we'll get to that's a whole nother story. So I bought the Apple Watch mainly for fitness, and you're probably like, why don't you just get a Fitbit? It's $159, something like that, and it's directly for fitness. But I figured that I might as well just splurge, you know, a couple hundred, you know, just about $100 more just to get something that can be used not only for fitness, but also for like productivity and just to keep me more organized. Now for the difference between the Series 3 Apple Watch with Nike edition and the regular Apple Watch Series 3. So the first difference is the band. When you get the Apple Watch Series 3, just the plain regular base model, the band doesn't look like this. It also doesn't come in white. It kind of comes in a grayish color if you get the silver body, and it doesn't have perforated holes. The perforated holes are for when you're working out and you're sweating, your band doesn't get all sweaty because the sweat will be going through the perforated holes. That was really redundant. I said perforated holes. That's like saying holes, whatever. Next thing, Nike Apple Watch has different faces. So I can select these like custom Apple Nike faces that the regular Apple Watch can't get. The next thing, the box. The regular Apple Watch comes in a white, like sleek box. This one comes in a black box and also has like Nike on it and everything, so there we go. The last thing is it comes loaded with the Nike Apple app. So those are actually the only differences between the Nike Series 3 and the regular Series 3 Apple Watch. I remember when I was doing my research, I was like so confused. I was like, does the Nike one cost more? Does it do anything else? No, it literally does the exact same things, except it comes preloaded with a couple more things that you can actually download onto the regular Nike Apple Watch. But yeah, I need to pair this, but I'm actually filming on my phone. This is really awkward. So I will probably stop this video and like pair pair my phone and my watch together. So I just finished setting it up and here it is on my wrist. And I really like the silver actually. I'm definitely more of a silver gal than gold or black. I didn't get the GPS version and I can tell you guys why I didn't. So the main reason why anyone would want GPS is because basically you can leave your phone and go somewhere for like, I'm not sure how far the distance is, but you can leave your phone and like do things and just take your Apple Watch with you. And it just uses LTE, so you won't need your phone. So basically when I use my Apple Watch, I'm gonna need to bring my phone with me all the time, which I don't really mind because my phone is always on me. When you do get that LTE version, you have to pay $10 every month to use the LTE on your Apple Watch. Personally, I don't pay for my phone bill, my parents still do. I knew if I asked my dad like, hey, I'm trying to buy an Apple Watch. It's $10 a month for me to get this LTE, but I would like Venmo you $10 each month to pay for it. He'll be like, no, I'll just pay for it myself. And I didn't want him to do that. Secondly, I'm going out of the country in literally 2 days, and then I also plan on studying abroad next semester. So I'm gonna be out of the country for a semester, and you can't, I mean, you can use, I don't think you can use wireless. Like every single time I've gone out of the country, I don't use LTE when I'm out of the country. So I was like, I'm not gonna pay all this money for something I can't use. But that's it for the unboxing. I know it was a little bit boring. If you guys did enjoy it, be sure to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't and follow me on Instagram. It'll be on the screen as well as the description. Check out my last video. It was a college finals vlog. And if you guys want me to do a review on the Apple Watch, which I could do after like a couple months, please let me know and I will be happy to do that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.